Hello and welcome to the Broken Sound Real Estate Report. My name is Claude Champagne with Champagne and Parisi Real Estate, and today is Saturday, March the 19th. There's currently 124 homes for sale in Broken Sound, and this week there's 5 new listings, and they're located in Nassau Bay for $389,000, Oak Run for $399,000, Clubside Point for $419,000, Cloisters for $799,000, and Grand Oaks for $1,450,000. If you'd like to see any of these homes, you can go to brokensoundcc.com, where you can see all the homes with all the videos, photos, and information that you need. If you'd like to see them in person, you can call me, Claude Champagne, at 561-703-4727. Right now, there's 17 homes under contract in Broken Sound, and 5 of them are located in the Cloisters. And so far this year, there was 7 closing in Broken Sound, and none of them in this past week. So if you're thinking of buying or selling in Broken Sound, please call a reputable company, Champagne and Parisi Real Estate. We are #1 on Google, on the internet, and that's how we can attract a lot of buyers to purchase your home. So please call us at 561-703-4727. If you have friends and families looking to purchase in Boca Raton or Delray Beach, please have them visit BocaRatonRealEstate.com or DelrayBeachRealEstate.com. Thank you for watching the Broken Sound Real Estate Report. Please stay healthy, and I will see you next week. If you're thinking of buying or selling, please call one of these fine resident realtors, and they are Jim and Sue Moore, Ryan Neal, and John Sherman.